Hello everyone. So, today I'll explain what is JS. So, JavaScript is a programming language used primarily for making web pages interactive. It allows to add dynamic behavior like animations from validations, API calls, and real-time updates. So, as I said, JavaScript is a programming language. It is a programming language. Is a programming language. Yeah, it is used for preliminary for making web pages interactive. For making web pages interactive. Yeah. And it is also allowed. It is it allows to add dynamic behavior. To add dynamic behavior. Dynamic behavior means like validations, validations, and API calls, and real-time updates. Real-time updates. Yeah. So in the JavaScript, the feature of JavaScript, a key of JavaScript JS. So first one is it is a client-side scripting. Client-side client-side scripting. Scripting. Second one is interact with HTML and CSS. Interact with HTML and CSS. And third one is event handling. Event handling. Fourth one is asynchronous programming. Asynchronous programming. And next, lightweight and fast. Lightweight and fast. And it is also support some framework and libraries. Supports framework, framework, supports framework and libraries. Yeah. So first one is a client-side scripting. Client-side scripting is related to runs in the browser. And second one is interact with HTML and CSS. It can modify web page content dynamically. And after the event handling is related to respond to user actions like click and key presses. And next one is asynchronous programming. Asynchronous programming means support Ajax and fetch API and promises. And next one is a lightweight and fast. It is lightweight because it is executed directly by the browser without compilation. And the next is support framework and libraries. It is supported to React, Vue.js, and Angular, and etc. So these are the feature of JS. So next I'll explain history of JavaScript. History of JS. Yeah. So JavaScript was created in 1995. It is created 1995, and by Brendan Each. By Brendan Each. And while working at com- Netscape Communication, it was originally named Mocha. It is original name Mocha. And then it is converted in LiveScript, and finally named its JavaScript. And the starting history of, as we can discuss about, like 1995, it is birth of JavaScript, like we can say birth of JavaScript. Yeah. So it is developed in only in 10 days by Brendan Each at Netscape, introduced in Netscape Navigator 2.0, initially called Mocha, then JavaScript, and later JavaScript. And in the 1996, in Microsoft introduced JScript. So Microsoft created JScript to compete with JavaScript in Internet Explorer 3. It is the led to the browser compatibility issue. So in 1996, in Microsoft, Microsoft introduced JScript, and then 1997, it is in ECMAScript. ECMAScript. In that, at ECMAScript, Netscape submitted JavaScript to ECMAScript. ECMAScript full form is European Computer Manufacturers Association. It is full form of, like I write it here, European Computer Manufacturers Association. Association. ROPEN, Manufacturers Association. This is the full name of ECMAScript. And the ECMAScript was released ES1 as the first standard. That is called also ES1. And the next 2000, it's rise of Ajax and web applications. And the 2005 Ajax asynchronous JavaScript and XML populated by Google Gmail, Google Maps. JavaScript become essential for dynamic web applications. Yeah, so in this 2000 rise of Ajax, Ajax and web applications, and after that 2000 is, yeah, 2009. In that 2009, it's Node.js revolution. Node.js revolution. Ryan Dahl released Node.js, enabling JavaScript to run on server. JavaScript became a full stack language. In the 2015, released ES6, that is also called ECMAScript 2015. ES6. Major update with let and const in that ES6, and arrow functions, promises, and classes. In that modern JavaScript begins to take shape. In the 2020, JavaScript dominance. JavaScript powers framework like React, Vue.js, and Angular. It is used for front-end, back-end in backend Node.js and even mobile apps React Native. And the most thing is like JavaScript continue to evolve with new ECMAScript versions every year. It remains the most popular language for web development. So that's it. Uh, Thank you.